Loving you was not easy. Napakahirap mong mahalin. You constantly doubt my loyalty. You listen to everyone, but not me. You think so little of yourself, kahit araw-araw kong sabihin sa iyo na maganda ka, na mahal kita, na lahat ng tungkol sa atin sapat na. Still, you'd rather believe them when they say na sayang ako with you. Ginusto ko pang lumaban para sa atin. Awayin pa silang lahat kung kinakailangan. Pero kada hihigpitan ko yung hawak ko sa'yo, pumipiglas ka palayo. Di ko na magawang lumaban kasi ikaw na yung kalaban ko. You keep on telling me that it's not me, it's you, but I didn't listen. I kept pushing kasi mahal kita. But last night was me at the edge of this chase. Huling hibla ng PC na kumakapit para sa ating dalawa. Hangganan para sa chapter ng ating pagsasama. Nang sabihin mong kahit ano pang gawin ko, bibitawan at bibitawan mo din ako. Dahil nanggaling na yun sa bibig mo, suko na ako. Ako si Dave, saying goodbye to one of the most painful chapter ng buhay ko. Goodbye, Emily. This is one of the hardest thing to do, my love. Say goodbye to the person you love. Because alam mo sa sarili mong kahit ano pang gawin mo, kahit ano pang kapit, kahit ano pang laban. If yung mismong taong yon ay hindi na willing magstay, gusto nang kumawala, kahit lumabang ka pa, kahit kumapit ka pa, sasaktan mo na lang yung sarili mo. Or worse, masasaktan lang kayong dalawa. So Dave, if now that you have realized, coming from the person that you love, that you were fighting for, after all these time, na hindi na mag-work yung relationship ninyong dalawa, tama ka. This may be the most painful chapter for you yet, but it already ended. Siguro magte-take ka muna ng pause before another chapter begins. But all the lessons you've learned in that relationship, you'll take with you. Kasi gano'n naman yun, my love eh. That's the reason why some people, even if nakarami na po sila ng heartbreak, nakarami na silang beses na saktan, nakaraming beses na silang nagsimula, they keep on going, they keep on believing sa essence ng love, ng relationship, is because they know all along, or they knew all along, that it's just another chapter in life. It's not because maharot sila or hindi nila kayang mabuhay ng walang jowa, ng walang partner. It's just that, my love, for them, kasama siya sa journey ng life. Hindi naman sa unang beses mong magmamahal, yun na hanggang dulo eh. Some people are blessed or were blessed with that kind of destiny. Kasi I do believe in that eh. Na may higher power na nagkokontrol ng things that can possibly happen for us. But then again, tayo yung pupush which direction tayo pupunta. So, I do believe na yung higher power na yon, pinapakilala tayo sa mga taong nakakasalamuhan natin every day, sa mga taong papasok sa buhay natin because they have a purpose sa atin. And siguro ikaw, tinuruan mo siyang magtiwala. Maniwala ka na lang siguro dun, Dave. take that as a consolation to all your efforts. Na even if hindi to nag-end the way you wanted it to, even if nag-end siya at all at hindi siya nag-continue sa buhay na in-envision mo para sa inyong dalawa, iwanan mo na lang tong thought na to sa sarili mo. You taught her to believe in herself. You taught her the true feeling and meaning of love. Ikaw yung nagturo sa kanya na above everyone else, dapat boses niya yung nangingibabaw. Na dapat nasa grip niya yung desisyon niya sa buhay, naniniwala siya not only to herself, but to the relationship na binubuo niya with someone. You taught her the meaning of happiness. You showed her how it feels like to be loved, to be taken care of. You gave her that. Yun yung iniwan mo sa kanyang lesson. Yun yung iniwan mo sa kanyang chapter. And even if hindi naging maganda yung ending ninyong dalawa, ipagpapasalamat niya yung chapter na yon, na minsan sa buhay niya may dumaang Dave na nagpakita sa kanya ng bagay na hindi ipinakita sa kanya ng iba. Nakamahal-mahal siya, naka-value siya, na her being, her whole being will always be enough. And as for you, you learned that sometimes in life, it is more painful to hold on than to let go. You learned that even when you love someone so much, our everything, our all, will never be enough for someone na hindi tayo nakikita as enough. That what we can offer, that what we can give, if it's given to the wrong person, hindi magbibigay ng positive output. Hindi maglalast forever. We learned na in a relationship, hindi lang dapat binavalue yung karelasyon, yung relationship itself, but ourselves as well. You've given so much of yourself sa relationship na to. Maybe it's about time that you give some to yourself before you begin a chapter. Itong chapter na isasara mo para sa inyong dalawa, Dave, ay kahapong babalik-balikan mo. Kung gusto mong manariwa at makita yung sarili mo na this is how I love. This is the reason why I am proud na maayos akong boyfriend, na maayos akong partner, kasi this is a manifestation of how deeply I can love a person, of how deeply I can trust and have faith in any relationship that I am in. This is a manifestation of how strong I am, not just a partner, but as a person. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? Lahat ng chapter ng buhay natin, pwede nating balikan. So that matandaan natin kung sino tayo nung nagsisimula and how far we've come. And as for you, Dave, marami pang chapters ahead sa buhay mo. This is not the last. So, deal with the process of grieving, deal with the process of moving on, and when you're ready, and when your heart is healed, and you've reaped all the lessons na kinailangan mo mula sa past relationship mo, you can now begin a new chapter in your life. Claro? Claro.